Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be talking about how to create a vector portrait in Photoshop without using the pen tool. Let's get started. In this video, I will mainly use an action. You will find the actions download link in the description below. There are several steps to apply this action. I will show you the process to apply the action. Before applying the action, make sure to resize your image. Go to image and image size and width and height between 3000 and 200 pixel and resolution should be at 300 pixel. Press OK. Now make a copy of the background layer and turn off the background layer, as we don't want the background to be affected by the action, so we will make a selection of the subject. Select and mask. Press select subject. That will automatically select the subject for you. Then go to refine brush and refine some of the areas. Make sure the output is new layer with layer mask. Press OK. Now go to the actions tab. If you could not find the actions tab here, make sure and go to Windows and make sure the action is checked. Then you will find the vector portrait. If you don't find that, then go to this tab, three bars, go to load actions and load that action wherever you downloaded it. Go to this will come as a vector portrait. Open that folder and press the number 1 and play that action. The first action is quite big. This will take some time. In between that, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, if you want to know how I make this action, just comment down below and I will make an in-depth video on it. Just let me know. You can also DM me on my Instagram, and the link of all my Instagram and other social media will be in the description too. And select the topmost layer and convert it to a smart object. Make a copy of this layer and again turn off the two layer upper and select the first one and select the second action and play it. Unhide the first one and select that and run the third action. Then go to the topmost layer and run the fourth action and change the blending mode to linear light. Group all of them, mainly the top three. Select all of them and press Ctrl G to group them. Now if you want to color correct some areas, then you should apply the number 5. If you don't want to, if you like the color there, then just leave it as you want. I will play that action. See, the color is corrected. Now you can open the layer 1. I will make a merge layer to all of them. To do that, I will select the topmost layer and the layer 1 in between them, all of them, and press Ctrl Shift Alt and E to make a merge layer. Then I will go to the mixer brush tool. You can see the settings. I had put it the width at 12%, load at 18%, mix and flow 100%. Then just zoom in a quite bit, about 100% or something like that, and just paint over the wrinkles like that, so that this will look like mainly as a vector art. See, You can also paint on the hair. You should make the brush smaller to do that. I will not do that. I like this type of image. Let's see the before and after. Let's be after. That's before, after, before, after. So that's all for this tutorial. Me, Muhammad Alamin Tushar, signing out. Thank you so much. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video.